So you're thinking about buying a house. How exciting. I bet you also have a lot of questions too. One question that I get asked quite often is, do you need to have 20% down to buy a house? We're going to get that question answered for you today. Hi, I'm Lindsay Porter, Realtor, team owner, Porter Realty Group.
Hi, I'm Phil Lillge, Sales Manager and Mortgage Advisor with Finance of America Mortgage, the Parker Mortgage Team.
Hey Phil, I get asked this all the time. Do I need 20% down to go and buy a house?
No, I hear that all the time as well.
Yeah.
People, for some reason, they got this in their mind that they need 20% down to buy a home, and you don't. I mean, there's lots of different loan programs that you can do 20% down, of course. You can do 5% down. You can do 3.5% down. There's some programs that allow for 3% down. And then in some cases, we have down payment assistance programs. There's even some veteran programs out there that allow for 100% financing. So there's lots of options.
Wow, that's really great. Mm-hmm. So out of all of them that you just listed, are there some that are more common than others that you see people taking advantage of?
I would say, yeah. I mean, there are a couple different that, the 3.5% down or the 5% down that are probably the most common that get utilized. But, when it comes down to it, it's really just trying to figure out what's going to best suit each person's needs and what they're looking to do.
Sure. So the 3.5% and the 5% that you just referenced, what loan programs are those?
Yep. So the 3.5% is it's called FHA. It's a government-insured loan program, and then the 5% down is a conventional loan program. And even that 3% that I mentioned, some borrowers would even qualify for 3% down as a conventional loan as well.
So is there pretty specific criteria that someone needs to meet in order to utilize one of those programs?
Yeah, there are a lot of different things that we look at when trying to determine whether or not somebody's going to qualify for each of the different programs. Credit score obviously has a big impact in what somebody would qualify for, whether they're first-time home buyers. Some of those different things do play into it. But there are a lot of different things that we look through to see what best works for them.
Sure, that makes sense. So what would the minimum credit score be for any of those programs?
Yep, so FHA, we can actually go down as low as 580. Now, I say that the ideal spot would be 640 or above. That's usually going to put you in that best position, but we can certainly even go to 580. There are some different rules that apply in those situations, but we close plenty of loans in the 580s. Conventional will go down as low as 620.
Okay. So the higher credit score, you're most likely just going to get a better interest rate, right?
It has a big impact on interest rate. It has a big impact on mortgage insurance if you're not putting that 20% down. So, it definitely has a big impact on those things. And your credit score sometimes is going to dictate what's going to be the best path, whether we're going that government side or we're going to go on that conventional side, because there are costs that can play into that, the higher interest rates or higher mortgage insurance. And like I said, it's kind of figuring out what's going to be the best program to suit your needs in your current situation.
Yeah, that makes sense. Fantastic. Thank you so very much for going and helping us get a little bit more information on the different types of loan programs, and that it is truly a myth. You don't necessarily need 20% down, that there's so many different options.
Yep.
So Phil, if someone needs your help and they want you to go and help them get pre-approved, what would be the best way for them to contact you?
Yeah, just give me a call. Give me a call on my cell phone. You can shoot me an email as well, of course. If I'm unavailable at that time because I'm with somebody, call my office. Ask for my assistant, Elizabeth.
She's really great. Thank you so much, Phil.
You bet. Thank you.
If you have any additional questions on what we discussed today, feel free to either leave a comment or shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to go and get those questions answered.